Hello members, how are you? Today we are talking about direct online connection, and this is the control wiring. There I go to start the connection. During my connection, I will need a contactor, magnetic contactor. Here it is, an NO switch. There it is, an NC switch. There it is, an overload relay. Here it is, an MCB, single pole or two pole. Here it is, and my wires. Here they are. On my wiring, I will start with my breaker. I connect my breaker. After my breaker, I will bring my overload. I will connect 9596, which is an NC. There it is. Now, from the NC96, this will go. Let me first connect it. This will go to NC a stop button, which I showed you, this one, 1, 2. And from my stop button, I will take it to my start, this one, number 34. And from my start, I will connect this to my coil A1, this one. Now, this is some part of the circuit. Then we go to holding, which is an NO on the contactor. Let me do the holding. The holding is got from the NO of the contactor which is normally open. Normally 13, 14 is the pole. I will connect it to my start, following the drawing. And another part of the NO on the contactor, I connect it to my NO, the incoming of the NO. You can use the outgoing of the NC, or you can use the incoming of the NO. I will twist my cables together to make a good connection. And I'm done with my connection. I put my contactor with the overload together, composing a power circuit. This is not very much needed during the control wiring, but it is usually needed during the power connection. Yes, this is my direct online starter connection.